Okay, in this video, we are going to calculate angular speed. So this is where you need to remember that you are in radians. So angular speed, we use the symbol omega to stand for angular speed. And it is just how many radians per second are changing, okay? So if I have a circle here and I start here at 0 and I go here, okay, I would measure this change, okay, in radians for the angle, and then let's say it took 2 seconds to make that change. So then I would just divide radians by seconds. So if I look at this, it says the Earth rotates once on its axis every 24 hours. What is its angular speed? So using our information about our unit circle, if it goes all the way around, okay, then it is 2 pi radians. And then it's 24 hours, but we need to have that converted to seconds. So 24 hours, remember there's 1 hour contains 60 minutes. And then we know 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So we calculate that. 24 times 60 times 60, and we end up with 86,400 seconds. So 2 times pi divided by 8,640. Oh, I typed in the wrong number. So 2 times pi divided by 86,400. And we end up, we're going to keep 2 sig figs in this, so 7.3 times 10 to the negative 5th rad per sec.